In this video, you'll learn how to archive contacts on Mailchimp. This process allows you to manage your audience by removing contacts from your active list without deleting them permanently. Archiving is useful for keeping your contact list organized and up to date. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the homepage loads, verify that you can see the login fields to access your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to sign in. After logging in, look for the audience option located on the left sidebar of the interface. This section is where all your contacts are stored. Click on Audience to access the list of your contacts. If you have multiple audiences, ensure you select the correct one before proceeding. Next, locate the contact you wish to archive. In the Contact section, browse through the list or use the search bar to find the specific contact. Once you find the desired contact, click on their name to open their detailed profile. This action will display their information and settings. Once the contact profile is open, look for the checkbox next to their name. This checkbox allows you to select the contact for archiving. Click on this checkbox to mark the contact for the next step in the archiving process. Confirm that the checkbox is checked before proceeding. Now that the contact is selected, find the Archive button, usually located at the top of the screen. Click on Archive to initiate the archiving process. A confirmation message will appear, prompting you to verify your action. After clicking Archive, you will be required to type the word Archive to confirm your decision. This step is a precaution to ensure that you genuinely want to archive the contact. Type Archive in the provided field and check that it is spelled correctly. Following this, click on the Archive button again to finalize the action. This will archive the selected contact, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the contact has been archived successfully. Take a moment to ensure that the message appears before moving on. For future reference or to manage your archive contacts, locate the three dots icon off and about audience section. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. In the drop-down menu, select Archived Contacts to view all contacts you have archived previously. This allows for easy management and retrieval if needed. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.